For the next few days, we'll be studying vowel sounds U, and oo. The short vowel sound is usually spelled U followed by a consonant. Remember, consonants are the letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. The long vowel sounds U and oo can be spelled UE, EW, UI, and using the format CVCE, which means consonant, vowel, consonant, E. So let's see what you know. Listen carefully. I will say each word, read the word in a sentence, and repeat the word. The word is bunch. The sentence is, he has a bunch of bananas. Bunch. The word is fruit. The sentence is, fresh fruit is healthy to eat. Fruit. The word is argue. The sentence is, do not argue with friends. Argue. The word is crumb. The sentence is, one crumb of cake was left. Crumb. The word is crew. The sentence is, the crew washed the boat. Crew. The word is tune. The sentence is, I heard the tune on the radio. Tune. The word is juice. The sentence is, she drank some juice. Juice. The word is refuse. The sentence is, I refuse to go with you. Refuse. The word is truth. The sentence is, was Gina telling the truth? Truth. The word is young. The sentence is, a young boy played outside. Young. The word is clue. The sentence is, that clue solved the puzzle. Clue. The word is trunk. The sentence is, she keeps clothes in a trunk. Trunk. The word is amuse. The sentence is, a good book will amuse me. Amuse. The word is suit. The sentence is I wore a suit to the concert. Suit. The word is rude. A sentence is Tanya is never rude to others. Rude. The word is trust. The sentence is I trust you to care for my dog. Trust. The word is dew. The sentence is morning dew covers the grass. Dew. The word is stuck. The sentence is the car is stuck in the mud. Stuck. The word is rescue. The sentence is I will rescue the cat in the tree. Rescue. The word is brush. The sentence is did you brush your hair? Brush. Okay, be sure to submit your document to me, and then we will work on activities using these words for the next few days. And then we'll take a post test.